Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I will discuss the importance of chemistry and what is actually a chemistry that I am going to explain. So you see here, as I have written in a very simple language, chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the composition, structure and properties of matter. So here you have to understand the branch of science where specifically we study about the matter. Study about the matter, here I mean to say we have to study about their physical and the chemical behavior both. And in the physical behavior, what comes? How do they look? What is their external look, external composition? Either they are in crystalline form, amorphous form, they are solid, liquid or gas. So they all shows that their physical behavior. And in the chemical behavior, we have to study about that their internal composition and how do they react with some other elements. Okay, so specifically, simply you can say chemistry is a branch of science. Here we study about the matter. Okay, so let us discuss about some importance of chemistry. So here the first important which I have written for you, it helps to protect crops by using of insecticides, fungicides and pesticides. Here I mean to say with the help of chemistry we have developed some chemicals which are to be known as fungicides, pesticides or the insecticide. Specifically these are to be used to protect the crops. Okay, now they kill the germs or the insects. And the second importance I have written, preserve food by use of preservative. So here in the preservatives we are using some chemicals. They protect our food for a long time, or simply you can say they give the long life to our food. So numbers of preservatives already I have taught in class 10th, like BHA, BHT. Okay, and except it we use vinegar, acetic acid and sodium benzoate, that is to be used in jam and jellies as a preservative. Now next point, provided life-saving drugs like cisplatin. We have developed some chemicals and we are using in the forms of drugs which are to be used for the saving of lives. So first it is to be of cisplatin, that is very important, and it is to be specifically used in the treatment of cancer. And Taxol. Taxol is the another medicine, another drug which are very effective in the cancer therapy. Okay. Now the next importance, AZT. The full form for this, azithromycin. This is used for helping AIDS victims, especially in the treatment of AIDS. This specific drug is to be used. Okay. Now the next, it is to be of anesthetics. Anesthetics used in surgical operations. Okay. Now another importance, chemicals help in the production of synthetic fibers. We have made numbers of fibers which are used in the preparation of artificial clothes and some articles like oil, fat, sugar, paint, detergents, perfumes and cosmetics. Okay, so specifically we have developed with the help of some suitable chemicals. And the last importance, that is also very important, TNT. The full form of TNT, it is of trinitrotoluene, and another one trinitroglycerine, dynamite, mustard gas, phosgene gas have war application. Specifically, you must know that this TNT, that is having the application for the explosions. These chemicals are to be used as a explosives in a war. So most of the countries, they use these specific chemicals. Mustard gas, that is also poisonous gas, phosgene gas. Okay, so during the war time these specific chemicals are to be used. So these are the general importance, because it is of the first day of your class, so I have discussed some importance of chemistry. Okay, so I hope you all have got it properly. So you have to prepare in the notes properly. That's all for today's session.